get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to preside over the annual day celebrations of this school. I am also happy to tell you that I have heard about this school for some years, though I have not come to this place so far. It is a matter of great satisfaction that your school is named in memory of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Everyone knows the great sacrifice made by Gandhiji for the freedom of the country. You are aware that he worked not only for the freedom of the nation but also for the progress of the poor people. You may be aware that the people of this country speak different languages and follow different religions, but in spite of that, he wanted them to be united so that the country can march forward in all walks of life. You must have studied in the books that union is strength. That is why Mahatma Gandhi desired that the people should be united. On this occasion, I request the teachers and the parents to see that the desire of Gandhiji in this matter is fulfilled at any cost. I also hope that the teachers and the management will take every care to see that the boys are given good education so that they may become useful citizens of this country. I see here students, teachers, parents, and a large number of local people with great enthusiasm. This gives me the hope that this institution will grow well with the cooperation of the people of the area. On this occasion, I would like to mention about a very important matter. I want the teachers to be kind to the boys in order that they may have the desire to come to school. But at the same time, I request the teachers to enforce discipline among the boys. I consider that discipline is very important. It is necessary not only for the boys but also for everyone in the country. The purpose of my referring this here is that discipline should start from the school itself. In this connection, I request the parents who have come here to cooperate with the teachers in the matter of enforcing discipline among the boys with the mutual cooperation of the teachers and the parents. I hope this institution will function in such a manner that it will be a model for others. Just now, I was taken round the various sections of the school by the headmaster. There is a good library containing books and magazines on various subjects. I am very glad to hear that the boys are making full use of the library and enriching their knowledge. You have a fine playground here with facilities for a number of sports. The headmaster, during the course of his welcome address, said that the students of this school are taking part in sports activities with very great enthusiasm. I congratulate everyone concerned in this regard. Letter dated 10th December 1980 from the Municipal Commissioner Kudalore to Messrs. John and Brothers, Building Contractors, Villupuram. Dear Sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated 7th December, in which you have stated that the construction of the new building in the municipal compound is not yet over and that you have asked your local office to see that whitewashing, painting, and minor works are taken up immediately. You have asked for extension of time for 3 months to complete the work. In this connection, I have to point out that according to the contract, the work must have been finished and the building handed over to us for occupation last month itself. You may remember that you had some difficulty some months ago in getting cement, and we were able to help you in securing it very urgently. This has enabled you to execute a major portion of the work. The reason for my writing this letter to you is I have received a letter from government yesterday that the date for opening the new building is fixed as 15th February 1982 and the Minister for Local Administration will open it. Yours faithfully.